friends, welcome back to the channel Uday's Review. Sigma is a brand where they produce lens for Canon, Nikon, and now they have started with Sony for Alpha series. Now we have here 24 to 70 f2.8 lens. It is a DG-DN lens. It is also known as art lens and the filter size for it is 82 mm. Here we see it is 24-70 mm f2.8 DG-DN for Sony E-Mount. Sony E-Mount is for full frame cameras. On all the sides are the same. We don't have anything special about it. Let us open the box and see. So once we open the box, we can see couple of paperworks for the lens. The first one is, it says a thank you card. It says additional 2-year warranty on the Sigma product. So we'll have to go to this website and register. The next paper is Sigma's limited warranty paper. It has in multiple languages, so they have given a big sheet for it. This has a multiple language thing, so this is a big thing. Let me see if I get a soft copy of it. I'll give the link in the below. Third paper is Sigma to our valued customer. So Sigma produces 3 types of lenses. One is contemporary lens, art lens, and sports lens. So if I get a soft copy of this also, I'll leave that in the description below. The next paper is the warranty sticker. This is a warranty sticker. And the last one is the lens paper. So this is also in multiple languages. You can see here what and all it says. So here it says thank you for purchasing, warning safety precaution, attaching to camera, focusing, auto lock button, zoom, filter, lens hood, flash photography, basic care and its storage, and a few of its technical specifications. This is the lens diagram. You have the focus sliders, you have ALF, focus lock, then the lock, lens hood, how to fix it. Same thing is mentioned here also on the other side. So if I get a soft copy of it, I'll leave it in the description below. So these are the papers and instructions of the lens in the box. Now let us see what is there inside the box. Here you have a strap for the lens bag. Next we have the lens pouch itself. This is the lens pouch. Inside this, lens is being stored safely. I'll open it, and here you can see the lens. Lift it gently and place it on the table. This bag is very safe for traveling and all. You can keep the lens here and travel. So it will be very compact and very safety for that lens. So this is the lens which we saw in the box. Let me remove this hood for you. You'll have to press this and rotate anti-clockwise. This is the lens. Here it is mentioned 24 to 70 DG-DN, and the diameter of the glass here is 82 cm. If you want to put any filter, UV or ND filter, you will have to use 82 mm filters. So these are the buttons which we were talking. This is a focus slider. So now it is in autofocus. If you slide it back here, it is in manual focus. And this is a focus lock button, and this is a zoom lock button. So if you're traveling and all, you can just lock it and it will not be moved. So once you want to use it, just release it, then you can move it. So that is why this lock is there. Here the focal mm is 0.18 to 0.38 m, and this lens is made in Japan. This is the mark where you have to match it to the camera's body and rotate it, so it will get fixed. This is a lens. Let me open this cap for you, lens cap. This is a glass, and put it back and open the back side cover. So this will be inside this place will be inside the camera, and where the sensor is there, it will be directly reflecting onto it. So that is why they are given a box. All full frame sensors has this box. It's 35 mm equivalent. This is a weather sealed lens. The focus ring is very smooth and the zoom ring is also very good. So this lens is built out of a metal. It is a pretty heavy metal. The weight is also pretty decent. Let us check the weight of the lens. I'll keep the lens. Let's see what's the weight of it. So it's almost 847 grams. Built is pretty well compared to the other lens. Let us also see the weight of the camera. We'll see with the battery and we'll see without the battery. Now I have removed the battery from the camera. Weight of the camera is 400 grams. Now we'll put the battery and see the weight of the camera. I have added the battery. Now I am measuring the camera with the battery. So it is 490 grams. So without the battery, it is almost 408 grams. So it is 408 grams. I'll just place the battery on top of it. It's almost 490 grams. So the battery alone itself is 82 grams. The card is 2 grams. So now I will insert battery and memory card and the lens. We'll see how much it is. First we'll insert the battery, second we'll insert the memory card. Always when you're inserting the card, the label should be towards you. Just slide in and lock. Now for connecting the lens, you will have to open the lens cover and the lens cover from the lens. Match these points, this point and this point, and rotate it clockwise. You will hear a clicking sound. Now let us see how much it weighs. It's 1 kg 302 grams. This is how it looks after you connect the lens to the body, and the feel is really good and it is almost like 1.5 kgs. You should get used to it while holding it in the hand. The buttons on the camera is placed very decently for the fingers to just operate to it. This is a shutter button, so it is very cleanly placed. As I got this lens out of India, so I'll be going to sigma.sg.com. So here in warranty, I'll be entering all my details, whatever is asked there, like name, email ID, alternate email ID, then country of purchase, whether I purchased from Singapore or Malaysia, as I purchased this from Kuala Lumpur. So I'll be entering it like Kuala Lumpur. Date of purchase, model number of the lens, then the serial number, and is it a Sony mount lens, and what is a dealer I have purchased. I am also attaching the screenshots of bill and the warranty card from the lens. Then it is asking for user profile. What is your user profile? Whether you are professional, semi-professional, all these things, details, and submit for the registration. Before doing this, I tried to register. It did not register. So I contacted the customer team from Sigma. They helped me out in registering. This is a screenshot from them. So here the lens has been registered. We have also got few accessories for the camera. So here we come to the end of the unboxing of Sony ZV-E1 unboxing and Sigma 24-70 f2.8 DGDN lens unboxing. So in the next video, let us see the functions of the camera and the menu system of the camera. We'll show you some demo shots of the camera and the lens. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share the video with your friends and families. And you can also share the video with your friends who's interested in buying this camera. If any of your friends are planning to upgrade for video purpose, and also you can tell them to see the video. If they like it, they can like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the other interesting content. Thank you. Bye.